Happy Juneteenth. Let's talk about the most free-spirited signs of the zodiac. All these signs do not care what you think. I've found a lot of times when people have a hard time being themselves or living outside the box, it's because they're worried about what other people think or society thinks, or they're trying to live up to other people's expectations. Well, these signs don't have any of those problems. They follow their own path and they do so proudly. Number 4, Pisces. Pisces is a go with the flow, optimistic kind of sign for the most part. They're very chilled, very laid back. They're too lost in their own world to really be given any thought to what you think or what's going on over there with you. Pisces is that sign that makes everybody feel good. They just have a large amount of love to give, and they just want to be left in their own good energy. If you try to bring Pisces any bad vibe or negativity, they're going to swim away like hell and not look back. Number 3, Aries. Aries is a fiery, impatient leader of the zodiac, cardinal sign, fire sign that has a lot of energy and is always ready for anything. Aries definitely does not care what you think, and they'll be the first to let you know. They're an independent thinker, they're bold, they're unafraid, they march to the beat of their own drums. Courageous, definitely high energy. They make decisions based on impulse. So it's all about what they're feeling in that moment. It's not always about the long-term implications of their decisions. Number 2, Sagittarius. Sagittarius is known as the free spirit of the zodiac for a reason. These are the adventurers of the zodiac. These people are always on a quest to discover something new. They love to take risks. They're constantly curious about their environment and the world that they live in. Constantly pushing themselves to grow and try new things and expand their mind and their horizons through travel. They love adventure. They're in love with all the possibilities that life has to offer. Sagittarius is a happy-go-lucky sign that's all about having a good time. If you want to go on a last-minute adventure, give your Sagittarius friend a call. That's who's going to be willing to ride with you. No questions asked. Coming in at number 1 is Gemini. Gemini is known as the most open-minded sign in the zodiac for a reason. Gemini definitely does not care what you think, because for the most part, Gemini is going to end up being more clever than most of the people that they're around. The way in which they think, the levels at which they're able to process information is very advanced. So they already inherently know that the way that they're operating is on a higher plane. So most people are not going to be able to argue them down or talk them into getting back in line, because they already know that they're smarter than most people. They're quick thinkers, they're quick-witted, they have loads of charm, and they use all of that to really explore the boundaries of their own minds. They hate the mundane and the boring, so if you're ever in the mood for something spontaneous, call any of your friends that have these signs.